Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we delve into the latest and greatest in scientific discoveries. Today, I've got an incredible discovery to share with you. Scientists have figured out how to transform plastics into soaps and detergents. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now in cutting-edge laboratories around the world. Yeah, you heard that right. This breakthrough could be a game-changer for both environmental sustainability and our daily lives. Imagine a world where the plastic waste that clogs our oceans and landfills can be repurposed into something as useful as soap. It's a win-win situation. So, let's dive right in. Buckle up, because this journey is going to be both enlightening and inspiring. Plastic waste is a huge problem. We generate tons of it every year, and most of it ends up in landfills, or even worse, our oceans. This not only harms marine life but also disrupts ecosystems and contributes to pollution. But thanks to some brilliant minds in the scientific community, we might have a revolutionary solution on our hands. Here's how it works. The process is both fascinating and complex, involving a series of chemical reactions that break down the plastic into its basic components. Researchers have found a way to convert polyethylene, one of the most common types of plastic, into fatty acids. Polyethylene is found in everything from plastic bags to bottles, making this discovery incredibly impactful. These fatty acids are the key ingredients in making soaps and detergents. By breaking down polyethylene into these useful components, scientists are essentially turning waste into a valuable resource. The process involves using a special catalyst that breaks down the plastic into these useful components. This catalyst is the magic ingredient that makes the transformation possible, speeding up the chemical reactions and making the process more efficient. It's kind of like turning garbage into gold. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a theoretical concept, it's a practical solution that can be implemented on a large scale. This method is not only effective but also environmentally friendly. Traditional recycling methods often involve high temperatures and produce harmful emissions, but this new technique is different. Traditional plastic recycling methods often require a lot of energy and produce harmful emissions. These methods can be costly and inefficient, making it difficult to recycle plastic on a large scale. But this new technique operates at lower temperatures and generates fewer pollutants. This makes it a more sustainable and eco-friendly option, reducing the environmental impact of plastic recycling. That's a win-win for the planet and for us. By adopting this new method, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint and make a positive impact on the environment. Imagine a future where the plastic bottle you throw away today could be part of the soap you use tomorrow. This could revolutionize the way we think about waste and recycling. This could drastically reduce the amount of plastic waste and help us keep our environment cleaner and greener. So, what's next? The possibilities are endless and the future looks bright. Researchers are now focused on scaling up this process to make it viable for industrial use. This involves refining the technique and ensuring it can be implemented on a large scale without losing its efficiency. They're also exploring other types of plastics that could be converted in the same way. And who knows? This could be the start of a new era in recycling technology. Maybe one day we'll be able to tackle the entire plastic waste problem with this innovative approach. Imagine a world where plastic waste is a thing of the past and our oceans and landfills are free from pollution. Alright, that's it for today's mind-blowing discovery. I hope you found this as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating science content. Your support helps us bring you more amazing discoveries. Let's keep exploring the wonders of science together. There's so much more to discover and I can't wait to share it with you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring.